Hello, everyone. I'm Ying Chen from China, from Chinese Academy of Social Sciences. It's my great honor to be invited to join this workshop. I really very happy to share with you my feeling. Yeah. First of all, I think the theme of our workshop is very important: net zero emissions. In China, we usually use the carbon neutrality. In September of 2020, China put forward committed to the international community. We will peak the carbon dioxide emissions before the 2030 and make every efforts to achieve the carbon neutrality before the 2060. So since then, China has built 1+N policy system and made a lot of efforts, renewable energy development very fast, and many policies has issued since then. Actually, our workshop covered a lot of interesting topics. I'm very happy to join the D1 and the D2 CCUS and the land use practice. And this morning, I'm okay enjoying the discussion about CBAM and CDM. So from these 4 sessions, I have learned a lot from the discussions. Actually, my English is not good enough, so I always shy to speak out. But the moderator encouraged everyone to share the opinions, and I also have opportunity to introduce what is happening in China, what China's policy and what is going on. I think the triangle approach is very useful to encourage everyone to think about what the vision, what will happen in the future, and identify the driving forces and the barriers, how to cooperate among the APEC countries to remove the barriers and to push ourselves go forward hand by hand. So I really think the triangle approach and the World Cafe, the atmosphere is very relaxed. So everybody is energetic to join the discussion, and I think I really learned a lot from the workshop. And what impressed me deeply is every session, finally, we emphasize the international cooperation is so important. So even though we have there are a lot of challenges in this uncertain world, we still believe the international cooperation is so important, and we can go forward hand by hand, and we can achieve the net zero emission future we desired. Thank you very much. Thank you. I hope in the future I will have more opportunity to join such workshop and to meet all of you somewhere in the world in the near future. Thank you very much.
谢谢 Professor Dr. Chen. I'm really interested that your organization from CASS, right? Chinese Academy of Social Science. This is another cast from Chinese Academy of Science. This is a quite very huge organization in China. You're from social science, right?
I graduated from Tsinghua University, the Department of Chemical Engineering. And after that, I shifted my field from chemical engineering to social sciences. I joined CAS, Chinese Academy of Social Sciences, in 1997. And I worked for CAS over 26 years.
By
So-
modeling?
I'm not a modeler. I worked in the field of global climate governance and climate policy. So I joined IPCC Working Group 3 for Air 5 and Air 6.
Oh. Excellent, wonderful. Could you suggest or could you give us some recommendation or opinion about the role of social science in carbon neutrality? Because almost people think about, in general, they often think carbon neutrality or GHG net zero. This is a pure science. This is technology. Do you have a suggestion on the role of social science?
I think, science and technology are important to achieve net zero emissions, but it's not enough. I really believe the social sciences could play an important role. And the natural sciences and the social sciences should work together. So interchange ideas and information are very useful, like this workshop provided such a good opportunity for us to exchange information and ideas. Thank you.
Thank you. Totally agree. Dr. Chen, okay, for groups from CCUS, land use, CBAM, CDM, and others. And the reflection is about the methodology and tools for this. Quite impressive on Triangle, right? And also in World Cafe. I think Dr. Sichatra might happy about this is quite relaxed, not a pressure to our participants. And she also emphasized on international cooperation. Yes, this is very important to drive the carbon neutrality as the wording in China, right? You use carbon neutrality. One thing from my view, we quite have different year target for carbon neutrality. Fortunately, Thailand and China, we might the same target. You target in 2065 at carbon neutrality, right?
Before the 2060.
Before 2060.
Before the 2060.
And Thailand, we use two wordings. The first we use carbon neutrality in 2050. And
most of the country committed to achieve carbon neutrality around
and we target
2050.
And we target GHG net zero in 2065. We use two words, carbon neutrality and net zero. Because we are coincidence to the same target. But I think in APEC, I think most economy quite different in target years. So if we will organize to elaborate international cooperation, the target year and even the definition of the wording in carbon neutrality, GHG net zero is quite a little bit different among economy. So I think we should to consult or to normalize, maybe we normalize our target in APEC economy. Thank you very much, Dr. Chen. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you.